If your iCloud mail isn't working, there's a good chance your storage is the problem, and your emails are taking up way more space than you think. I'm Lauren, and today I'll show you exactly how to clear iCloud mail storage on both your Mac and iPhone, plus how to stop this from happening again. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Your iCloud mail shares storage with everything. Your photos, backups, files from all of it. So even small email attachments are quietly stealing space from the same 5 gigs everything starts with. If you're on Mac, you can actually sort your emails by size, which is huge for finding the storage hogs. Here's how. Open the Mail app and select your iCloud account. Go to View, Sort By, and pick Size. Then go back to View, Sort By, and select Largest Messages on top. To actually see the sizes, go to View, Show Message Size. Now select the big ones you don't need and hit Delete. This works, but here's the catch. It's manual. You have to change your view settings, and it's easy to miss stuff buried in folders. And if you use iCloud Mail on the web, you can't sort by size at all. No size column, no sorting options. On iPhone, it's even more limited. iOS Mail straight up cannot sort by size. Your best workaround is filtering for emails with attachments, since those are usually the big ones. Here's the process. Open Mail, go to your iCloud inbox, tap the filter button at the bottom, tap Filtered By, then enable only mail with attachments. Turn off Unread and tap Done. Now tap Edit. Select the messages you want gone and hit Trash. It's a lot of taps for not a lot of control. You're basically guessing which attachments are actually large because you can't see the sizes. This is where most people either give up or just start deleting randomly and hope for the best. So why does iCloud become such a storage hog? Unlike Gmail, where your email storage is mostly separate, iCloud lumps everything together. Your emails compete for space with your iPhone backups, your photo library, your iCloud Drive files, all fighting for the same pool. And when that storage fills up, your iCloud mail may just stop. No sending or receiving. Sync issues across all of your devices. You'll see iCloud Mail not working, but Apple won't exactly tell you why. Clearing out your mail is often the fastest fix. Faster than deleting photos, faster than managing backups. And this video is made possible by Clean Email, and it's exactly the kind of problems we solve. You can try to do this manually, but Clean Email lets you find emails by size and age at the same time. So you can target the stuff that actually is eating your storage. Old emails with big attachments in one view. Our smart folders automatically group non-essential emails like seasonal sales, social notifications, and automated messages. And there's a Select All button, so you can select all and delete by entire categories without trashing something important. It also has an unsubscriber feature, which lets you unsubscribe from annoying senders in a couple clicks. You can go through the ones you don't want and stop mail from constantly piling up in your inbox. And if you're really frustrated, there is a Select All and Delete button for your inbox. And unlike iCloud Mail, it syncs across all devices. There's an app you can use on your phone and your Mac. If you want to try it, there's a link in the description for 15% off. Try deleting just a few emails with large attachments and see what happens. So before you pay for more iCloud storage, try cleaning your mail first. It's often the fastest solution. One-time cleanup is great, but the real win is not ending up back here in 6 months. The key is having a system, whether that's regularly checking for large emails, unsubscribing from stuff you don't read, or using Clean Emails features like Auto Clean to set up rules that automatically handle emails as they age. The goal is keeping your iCloud mail storage under control without thinking about it. Now you know why your iCloud storage fills up faster than you'd expect, and exactly how to clean up iCloud Mail on whatever device you're using. Your inbox is handled and your storage has room to breathe. See you in the next one.